Peace, love, Goldn.Light. So this is me showcasing a part of my rising routine, not all of it, but kind of starting from where I'm at right now. So it's 9:35 Sunday, September 27th. So last night I went to sleep kind of early. I did a photo shoot all day. Was kind of tired from that after I was doing some other things, so I fell asleep early. I woke up at 3 this morning and kind of just have been up since then. I did some yoga, I did some meditation, and I did some journaling. I also was able to kind of get my day started in a sense by starting to plan and prepare and getting organized. So I kind of mapped out some things in my planner. You know, with my finances, we're going into a new month in a few days, and I just want to make sure things are kind of like seen for the month as far as things that are due. I also have a journaling workshop today, so I also reviewed some notes and some things that I wanted to discuss then. Just got out of the shower, and I'm going to just do some self-care. I'm going to do a facial and things like that. One other thing that I want to show you that I have as well is my dry erase board and my calendar. So I was writing and mapping those things out and writing down some things for today. So let's get into this facial. So on the topic of organization, because my mind is always all over the place, I like to use things that allow me to organize, so it helps my mental space. So I have this cube in my bathroom that just displays some items like some hair stuff, some herbs, essential oils, and just like some spa-like stuff. And of course, some plants. So, of course, I still have stuff like underneath my sink, but this is where I display like some of the things that I use on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, that's that. For today, I'm gonna start with this facial wash from NEDEN. It is a tea tree and turmeric wash. I'm gonna use this facial brush that I got a couple weeks ago. It's a $6 brush from, I think it was Marshall's or Home Goods, but I'm still seeing how much I like it, but I don't use it every day. I'm gonna use it today. To dry off my face instead of a towel. I don't use a towel as much. I will, but I prefer a paper towel. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exfoliate. I have like 5 different scrubs that I've purchased from different people that I like to use, but for today I'm going to use Her Root. It has turmeric in it, which is really good. I'm gonna say this is the citrus, so I'm just gonna use some of this to exfoliate my face. Usually after this, I would put on a mask, but for today, I'm gonna skip the mask. For today, I'm going to skip the mask, and I'm just going to go into a toner and then a moisturizer. So for my toner, I'm going to use NEDEN, rose water, and aloe. For my moisturizer, there's a couple different things that I typically use. I like using black seed oil, and I also Urban Eden is definitely in my skincare routine. You can't really, I have this for a while. So this is the serum, the facial serum that I've been using. It goes a long way because I still have a good amount left, and I just do a couple drops. Next, I'm going to moisturize to kind of